Alaska has a way of making you feel pretty small, and this hike into the mountains of Hatcher Pass is a perfect example. The trail winds through rugged terrain, crossing streams and climbing past waterfalls, with something new around every corner. But eventually, the landscape starts to open up, and waiting at the end are Reed Lakes. We are at Reed Lakes Trailhead here outside of Palmer, Alaska. Going to hike up to Reed Lakes. It's about 8.8 miles, 2,200-ish feet of gain. Looks like another beautiful day. We've gotten super lucky with the weather so far, so looking forward to some great views. We are just at about 2 miles in, a little over 700 feet of climbing and still going up. It's been very beautiful so far. Lots of running water, waterfalls. Very pleasant hike so far. It's about 2.3 miles in and we've reached, I believe, what is referred to as the small boulder field. Should be pretty easy to get through. The rocks look pretty big. And then there's a larger boulder field after somewhere. We came up right through here. This little boulder field, you basically just go horizontal across. You don't even really climb up it. And then there's kind of this little rock ridge right here. We're making our way up. And should be another boulder field waiting for us somewhere. And a couple of really pretty lakes. We're 3.4 miles in and just made it to Lower Reed Lake. We're gonna continue on up to Upper Reed Lake and hopefully let the sun continue to rise up over this peak off to our right there. So the sun starts reflecting off the water, should give us a much prettier shot, we hope. Either way, still amazingly beautiful. And we're gonna go about, I think it's another mile up to Upper Reed Lake.
We made it to Upper Reed Lake. It was 4.4 miles and 2,000 feet of gain. It is absolutely spectacular up here. Definitely one of the most beautiful places we've seen in Alaska so far.
Hiked around for a while up here, tried to get to some different vantage points just for more and more pictures and video. It's very, very beautiful. Highly recommend. We're going to make our way back down to Lower Reed Lake now and see if the sun is hitting the water down there now. Take some good shots down there as well. We are back down at Lower Reed Lake, and we made a good call. The sun is now out, shining on the water. You can see it's got that amazing turquoise blue look to it. Just a fantastic hike all around. So pretty. Made it back through what I guess others have referred to as the bigger boulder field. Just kind of a bunch of boulders along a river, but we are headed down this little tiny ridge to the original boulder field that you just kind of go horizontally across, and then it's a pretty straightforward hike out of here. We are almost back to the Reed Lakes trailhead. Of about 9.3 miles with 2,200 feet of gain. We did some side quests up there around Upper Reed Lake that added some mileage to it, but highly recommend this hike if you're in the Palmer-Hatcher Pass area. This is a must-do. Stats are at the bottom of the screen. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit like and subscribe. Follow along on the next mountain adventure. See you on the next one. We are back.